Good morning. It is Thursday the 28th, and I just wanted to say that I've been keeping an eye, reading your forum posts and taking a look at your assignments that you've been turning in. You'll be getting some grades very soon. Um, One of the things I wanted to talk to you about is what the assignments are, how they work, what the forum posts are for. This is an online class, and if we were in the classroom, a lot of these assignments, like doing the audience factors and the excerpts for the specific audience-specific purpose, those are things we'd be doing in the classroom as small group work. So you'd be doing those in real time. But since we're not in the classroom and this is an online class, in order to get the same experience and for you guys to get the lessons, you have to actually do them as homework, like a homework assignment. And then I have you watch the second half of the video, or the answers that I give you, because then that's what we would discuss afterwards. So that's also why then I have you go into a discussion forum and talk about what did you get correct, what didn't you get correct, and ask you some questions. So that way, one, I know that you're watching those videos that give you the rest of the lesson, and for you to kind of stop and think about, and for us to have a little bit of a discussion, for the class to have a discussion, because that's what we'd be doing in class. So if you're wondering why the class is set up the way it is, that's why. As I said before, you'll be getting some grades pretty soon. For the assignments themselves, like the listing the audience factors and choosing the correct excerpts, even if you don't get them all correct, that's okay. Because if you were in the classroom and we were doing these as small groups, you wouldn't necessarily get them all correct anyway. So if they're complete, if you put in the effort and they are complete, you'll get full credit, full points for them. For the discussions, it's, are you following the guidelines? Are you thoroughly answering those questions? And are you responding to your peers? And if you're doing all of that, then you get full points for that as well. So just in case you were wondering how things were going to work, I just wanted to let you know. I also just wanted to check in with you because this is an online class and I don't want us to feel disconnected. So I like to give you a video every once in a while to let you know that I am paying attention to everything you're doing and reading your posts and all of those types of things. Let me know if you have any questions. What's coming up next is Aristotle and Tolman. You're really going to start getting into what an argument is, which for me is always the best part of writing an argument, is looking at those rebuttals and appeals to your audience. So I hope you enjoy Aristotle and Tolman, and get a hold of me if you need me.